Dice is on the beat.
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a full get ready with me, but we are going to do this vlog style. So I'm going to be doing my makeup, I'm going to be styling my locks maybe, I'm going to do my nails, my feet, outfit, all of that. Y'all, this contact is irritating me. It is Saturday. I am going to a baby shower today. So yeah, I just feel like I've been rough. I want to get dressed up. I haven't done my nails in a minute. Nail shop still closed, so I'm still doing these feet. It's 10:38. I need to start getting ready now. I have no idea what I'm wearing. The weather. Let me tell you about this weather, y'all. So last week, like the first half of last week, it was cool, like 60s. Then we got like a random heat wave the second half of the week. Then like last Saturday, Sunday, we had a random lightning and thunderstorm. I'm in California, I'm in the Bay Area. We don't get that kind of weather. That's like that southern weather. We don't get thunderstorms and lightning out here. So that was completely random. And then it was still hot on top of that. So then, because of the lightning, it started like multiple fires, like in the inland area. So now we got a bunch of fires going on. The air quality is terrible. It's starting to cool down, but because of the fires, like the air is just so bad. It's hazy. It's like ashes on cars. And then this baby shower that I'm going to is supposed to be outdoors, and yeah, so I'm looking at the weather now. It's supposed to get up to like 78 today. It's 70 degrees now. It's supposed to get up to 78. That's not too bad, but being that I'm going to be outside, I don't know what I want to wear. Let's get ready. I'm about to change out this contact, and then I'm going to prop you guys up so you guys can see me do my nails and all of that. Then we're going to move on to makeup, hair, outfit, and yep. I usually do white or pink on my toes, but today I decided to go with something different, and I'm using this lime green color called Lucky Bamboo from Nail Addict. If you guys haven't heard of Nail Addict, they are a nail polish company, and they offer like vegan gel nail polishes. They have so many different colors, so you guys should definitely check them out. I do have a discount code that I'll put up on the screen if you guys are interested in purchasing some gel polishes. And then I also purchased this like mini UV light off of Amazon for $13. And so yeah, I've been practicing my gel nail polishes and all of that good stuff at home while my nail shops are still closed. Alright y'all, just finished my toes. They don't look that good. I hate painting my toenails. I cannot wait to get a pedicure. So now I'm about to take a quick break and make me a smoothie. I haven't eaten all day. I want some food, but I only have time for a smoothie right now. So I'm gonna be using my magic bullet. I don't even know what fruits I have in the fridge, but I'm just about to use whatever I have and throw something together. I know I have berries, and then I have I have frozen berries, and I have fresh pineapples. And then I also have this Wellness Rescue Boost. This one is oil of oregano, elderberry, ginger root, and cayenne. I think I'm gonna use this one since I'm gonna do the berries. Got my smoothie. It's not nasty, but I used the one with the elderberry, and so it has ginger and stuff in it too. That shot is just really strong, but I'm not gonna be starving right now. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the face. As far as my makeup today, I think I just want to keep it like really fresh and soft, especially because I'm going to be outdoors today. And I'm going to start with some Got to Be, and I'm going for like the fluffy brow look. I don't do this all the time, but I do like to do this when I know I'm going to have like a long day and I want my makeup to last. So I'm going to start using about that much of the Got to Be. So now I'm just going to go over my brows and take my spoolie and just brush my brows up, and then I just press on them. Okay, and so then to fill in my brows, I'm not going to do anything super spectacular. I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is in the color number 5. So I'm doing upward strokes just as I did with the spoolie and the Got to Be. And then I'm just going to outline the bottom of them just to give them a little bit more structure. Okay, so before I use my concealer to outline my brows, I'm going to prime my face. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of my face moisturizer. This is the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Lotion. I'm going to go in with a loose powder. This loose powder is from ColourPop. It's the No Filter setting powder in the color Banana, I think. Yeah. And then I'm just going to take my sponge. I like a really matte face, so I'm just going to apply that on the areas where I'm more likely to sweat and get greasy. Then I'm going to take a setting spray. This is the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Multi Spray. Then I'm going to go into my primer. This is my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector Primer. My all-time favorite primer, especially for matte faces, especially for the summertime. And I like to press it into my skin. I can't remember when my last makeup tutorial was, but I'm definitely still using some of this, pretty much a lot of the same products. So now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer, and I'm just going to use that to outline my eyebrows. Again, I'm doing no foundation. So I'm just going to go straight into concealer. I'm going to use, again, that Fenty Pro Filter Concealer. This is $3.85. And then I primed my under eyes. I tell you guys all the time, I struggle with creasing under my eyes. So this Benefit like brightening concealer is really thick. It does a better job at keeping the rest of my concealer or foundation in place throughout the day. I'm going to let that sit a little bit. Normally if I wear foundation, I pretty much blend my concealer out right away because I don't like really cakey looks. So I feel like foundation and concealer, I don't need that much coverage. But since I'm not doing foundation, but let it to get a little tacky and dry first before blending it out, so I can keep some of my coverage. Because if you blend it out right away, especially with a damp sponge, it's going to shear it out completely. I still have no idea what I want to wear today. I kind of got an idea, but I kind of don't. Well, I know I want to wear these shorts, but I don't know what top I want to wear with it. And then I kind of want to wear my sun hat, because I just feel like being a little extra today. And it's very important that when you do no foundation looks, you always want to make sure you blend out your concealer good so that it doesn't look really harsh. See, right now you can definitely tell like I don't have on foundation, and you just see like a splatter of concealer. So I'm just gonna do my best to blend that out as best as I can so that it's not too harsh, so that your skin looks super even and fresh, but just without all the product. So now I'm just gonna set that with my usual powder. Trust the process, okay? Because trust the process. And so to blend all of that out, I'm going in with my Cover FX face powder, Pressed Mineral Foundation in N100. It's going all over my face. I feel like my lighting is just off today. Maybe it's my camera. Hold on. That looks good, but now you guys can see how it looks. Like, I still have that naturally highlighted look, but everything is closer to my skin tone. I'm not gonna wear bronzer or contour, but I am gonna go in with the little bronzer, and I'm gonna just apply that into my crease just to add some dimension to my eyelid. Why did I use that brush? I'm not doing highlight either. I'm just gonna do some blush, and I'm using this Fenty Beauty cream blush, and this is in the color Drama Class. It's just a purple. The cream blush kind of balances out all like the super matte products, so I don't end up looking too dry. Although I want to be matte, I don't want to be dry. Pretty much it for my face. I'm gonna apply a little mascara and some lashes. All right, now I'm gonna do my hair. I mean, I'm not gonna be doing that much to it. I have these 36-inch faux locks, and I have a full video on this install, which I will link down below for you guys to go check out. I think I'm gonna just wear them down today. It's a lot of hair. I'm gonna start by oiling my scalp. I'm using this Jamaican black castor oil extra dark, and my edges are suffering a little bit. I don't know, I wore two like crochet styles back to back. Normally I do breaks in between hairstyles, but this last time I did two crochet styles back to back, and I don't know, my edges are definitely affected by it. I have like those little white, I can see like the white follicles that my edges have been pulled out in a couple areas. So just gonna go in with this castor oil and apply that along my hairline. I'll probably only keep these in for like another week or two. If you guys don't know, I am going to be locking my hair permanently. I have a sit down video where I talk all about it, so you guys can go check that out as well. Then I'm going to take this Better Braids hair and scalp oil, and I just like this one to spray throughout my head. So to lay my edges, I'm going to be using my Style Factor Edge Booster. Just wear it like this. Alright you guys, so now I'm moving on to my nails. I'm just doing some press-ons. These press-on nails I purchased on Amazon. I'll try to link them down below, but Amazon has just a lot of different press-on designs, so you can go on Amazon and just search them. But they're like glittery, like clear and glittery. I was actually short one nail, so I had to use a different nail, and I just painted it that lime green color to match my toes, and that's it. I've never been a big press-on wearer until like the quarantine thing, and now I love press-ons because you guys know I do a lot of hair, so I love to put on my nails and stuff when I want to be cute and for like the weekend or for a day out or something. And then if I need to do hair or anything, it's easy to just pop them off. So they're super convenient, and I don't think I'll ever go back to like just regular acrylic nails. The only downside to press-on nails is that they can be like super flimsy, especially the longer the nail is. So I'm just going in with a gel top coat, and I'm gonna go under the UV light, and the gel top coat just kind of makes it a little more sturdy. Obviously it's not going to be as thick as like acrylic, but it does give it a little more stability and gets rid of that like super flimsy look. Alright you guys, so I finished my nails. Super cute. I don't really, sorry for flipping off, I don't really like this green one, but it's gonna have to work for today. My battery's dying, so I'm getting ready to pull my clothes out. I kind of thought of what I wanted to wear. So yeah, I love my nails, y'all. Do y'all act extra once y'all nails get on? Because ever since I popped these on, I can't stop doing this. But yeah, I'm gonna turn my music back on, finish getting dressed. What type of music do you guys listen to when you get ready? I know like a lot of people like to listen to trap. I'm not like your trap music type of girl. I'm definitely like an R&B girl. I like to put on music that makes me feel sexy, music that's gonna make me feel good. So yeah, about to get these clothes together, turn my music back on, and then I'll be back with the final reveal.